about what he has done for this state, and I really it's a proud moment for me to part of this event.
This is the first time you are coming. And in Manipur also, this kind of folk culture is there.
There is, I think there actually in Manipur we have been, since so many years, but we have our own community, our religion, and our own, traditional. So I have my own community in Com, which we call that there is no game, but then cultural, dance and all. And in Manipuri, there is again in Manipur that we call Thangta. This is for a special in Manipur. So that is unique in Manipur, like here in Yakamla in Bangalore. Yes.